When putting the windshield wiper arms, I referred to my manual, and it said both the left wiper and the left arm are longer than the right wiper and arm. I'm using 21 and 24 inch wipers and put the arms back on. I get this overlap between the wipers. I switched, put the longer wiper on the right side and the shorter wiper on the left side, and I still have that overlap. As long as this left arm is longer than the right arm, we're going to have that overlap. So I'm going to switch the arms around. Ignoring what the manual says, telling me to put the long arm on the left side, I put the short arm on the left side, long arm on the right side, short wiper on the right side, long wiper on the left side. Gives me a nice meet here where they don't overlap even when they're wiping, and we don't reach beyond the windshield over here on the passenger side. So I'm pretty confident this is the setup they intended, and the manual is just wrong on this aspect. This van is set up just the way I think it ought to be, with a 22-inch blade and a 24-inch blade on the driver's side, short arm, long arm. This van seems to be a little bit wrong. It has the short arm and the long arm, but the 24-inch blade is on the passenger side, and you see what we get there is that hangs way over, so that's no good. And this little van back here has the long arm on the passenger side, short arm on the driver's side, 22-inch wiper, and a 24-inch wiper, 23. So this one is essentially set up the way I'm recommending, despite what the book says.